All right, it's Tuesday, June 11th. I'm buying some SPY 540 puts here at 738. This is on the 1 minute chart that came down, opened up lower today, came down, took out those pre-market lows. I was waiting for that inflection point to see if that would be like a failure area and pop up. It kind of tried it a couple of times and then started red. So I bought the puts here, anticipating this 15-minute chart's going to turn red and follow through lower. We have about a minute or 2 minutes to go in this bar. And like I discussed in the recap video from yesterday, if we kind of open below the midpoint of the prior day and headed down here, I think we're going to take out these three stops pretty easily and work into this gap area. The question is going to be what kind of red day is going to develop today, if at all, and then look to either follow through below the purple line, the monthly open or not. So we'll see when that happens, but we're definitely heading lower here. Again, I'm going to watch that 15-minute chart close and hopefully follow through lower to confirm the downtrend on the day. If we get back through the midpoint of this first bar, that could be a failure move happening, but I still think we should take out these three lows first. If we spread out the 15-minute chart, that's kind of in this area. That would be where logical stops are, so we'll see if that unfolds. The option's starting to move up nicely now. Bought them at 738. They're asking 756, so up 20 cents. As this 15-minute bar, I guess I can watch it here for another minute or so. I think it's going to change. And, again, just bought it more aggressively on this 1 minute price action here that, I wanted to see if it would take out that, if it took out the pre-market low, if it would pop up. Instead, it's following through a little lower. So try to be more aggressive on it, but we'll see if that 15-minute chart, it's about to close here any minute. And hopefully it'll confirm by following through lower on bar two. But the context, like I said, is if we get down here and take out these three, are we just failing? Are we going to break out of this little 3-day range and head lower and towards this gap, or is it going to kind of be a failure and back up through the range to the upside? Anything's possible. All right, there's the close. So we'll see if it kind of breaks through here and officially confirms kind of at least the start to the day to the downside on 15-minute bar number two. But so far looking good, so I'll update it a little later and see how things unfold. But seems like we should be taking out these three bar lows here to the downside. There we go on bar two here, trying to break lower. I see the options are up to 765, so we'll continue to watch it. There's the confirmation, and but you never know. If we get back to the midpoint of that first bar, then we could be failing on the breakout.